But hey, let's just talk about technology, LMS, and all that real quick, and let's get right into it. Now, tell us how you got into learning management systems. How'd you get into this business? What's your story?
Oh, well, there's a pretty interesting background here, right? How did I get into LMS? Uh, so this is 2024. Back in 2017, I was, in college. Uh, I have a degree in software engineering, by the way. By education, I'm a software engineer. So when I was in college, right, just like every other teenager out there, one fine day, I was, Googling how to make money online. That's what every teenagers do, right? I just went there, how to make money online. I found a bunch of, articles which suggest multiple things that you can do to make money online, as a college student, as a teenager, right? Remotely. I was pretty intrigued. I'm like, do these things actually work? Do people actually make money through these things? Then, I went down the rabbit hole, saw a lot of YouTube videos, took a few courses. I started with, taking a few courses on Udemy, right? Because as a college student, you're looking for something which is cheap, right? And you get to speed fast, right? You want to make the money fast, right? That's what you're looking for. So yeah, I was pretty intrigued by, marketing. Media marketing was the fad back then, right? Everyone wanted to own a social media marketing agency. I took a few courses and, I actually managed to bag a couple of clients there. And then something very interesting happened. One of the clients whom I was working with for around 6 months, he uh, gave me a call, right? He gave me a call and he was like, "Hey, Shiv." By the way, I'm Shivansh, and everyone calls me Shiv, just like Robert also mentioned. Yeah, it's just like the short and easier form of my name. He just gave me a call and he was like, "Shiv, I want to launch my course. I want to, make some money. I don't want to trade my time for money. I want to create something that will that can be consumed by a lot of students, right? So how do we do this? Please help me create a platform wherein I can sell my courses to other audiences, right? uh, I did a little bit of research. I understood, wow, this is great, right? This is exciting. I mean, myself being at a position wherein I have taken a few courses, right? I understand from where, clients and authors and coaches they come from, right? So I'm like, okay, this is exciting. Let me just go there and, research how can I do this for my clients, right? That's how actually I got into e-learning and learning management systems. I found out the name of a couple of LMS, right? The first one which I found was again through YouTube videos. And I called my client. I'm like, hey, I can help you with this. Let's get started. Although I was a complete beginner, I had no idea about it, right?
You're right.
We just got started. And then, from there, everything and is again history.
Yeah. So what something I'm hearing in there is some things that I think I've done from time to time in my life that is so shows something about your character, which is you're a self-starter. There's a little pinch of fake it till you make it in there. It's something you want to go for it, and you just dive in and go, and just get started, and then you quickly become an expert. It's cool. It's cool. So time goes by, and you get gobs and gobs of experience. I know we met out at a one of those freelance websites, and you're like a golden god out there. So it's sort of like where you cut your teeth.